Welcome back. In this video, we're exploring Unreal Engine 5.6. Epic Games has rolled out some powerful new features in this update. You'll see improvements in rendering, animation workflows, and world-building tools. Especially for creators using video and media materials, this update is a game changer. Let's get started by installing Unreal Engine 5.6. First, open the Epic Games Launcher. Head over to the Unreal Engine tab on the left. Click on the Library section. Now click on the plus icon to add a new engine version. Select version 5.6 and click Install. Once it's installed, click Launch to run Unreal Engine 5.6. After launching Unreal Engine 5.6, choose a template. I'm using the first-person template for this tutorial. Click on Games, then select the first-person template. You can rename your project and choose the file location for the same. Make sure with Starter Content is enabled. Click Create to start the project. Once loaded, you'll see the default level with the player capsule and simple environment. Now let's move into adding media and working with video materials. First, go to the content browser and right-click. Search and add a media player asset. Enable the option to create a media texture asset automatically, and rename it. It will automatically generate a media texture here. Now drag a cube from the Shapes section into the scene. Scale and position it like a TV or screen in the level. Now drag media texture on it, it will create a material for you. Now import any video from your PC inside the content browser. Open the media player and play this video. As soon as you do this, this video will be added inside media texture and material. Save all assets now to avoid losing any work. Open the new material that was created. Connect the RGB output of the video texture to the emissive color input. Hit Apply and save the material. Now run the game. You'll notice the video doesn't play yet, because we have not set an event to trigger it. Go to Blueprints, open Level Blueprint. Add an Event Begin Play node. You can add any node by right-clicking in this space. Next, create a new variable, rename it as you like, and then here, set its type to Media Player. Click Compile in the top left corner. Now, select your actual media player asset and assign it to the variable. Now drag and drop this variable into the event graph and choose Get Option. Then, add the open source node in the blueprint. Connect the begin play to open source and select your media source. Hit Compile and save the blueprint. Now, when you run the game, the video should play correctly. Before running, let us shift the directional light by clicking Ctrl+L and using the mouse. Now you will be seeing the video playing. Oh, the other side. Yeah, here it is. But wait, the video is too bright. We have to go back into the material. Right-click to add any node and search for what you need. Add a constant and a multiply node between the video RGB and emissive color. Use a scalar value like 0.3 or 0.5 to reduce intensity. You can set this up later as well. For now, connect this block to emissive color node and save it. Now, as we have zero emission, you won't see the light coming from the screen. Next, let's add a rectangle light to simulate screen light. In the Place Actors panel, search and add a rect light near the cube. In the Details panel, adjust its size and position to match the screen. You can also change the intensity of the light. You can explore other settings as well from here. Then, in the Source Texture section of the Rect Light, assign the video texture. This will create realistic light emission from the screen. And Now, you can assign value for your RGB multiplier. Now, after you run the game, you will see realistic light coming from the screen. You can duplicate the setup to create multiple video screens in the same scene. I'll add a link to the Megalight tutorial in the description if you want to enhance the lighting even more. And that's how you can use video materials in Unreal Engine 5.6. We covered everything from media players to realistic screen lighting. This feature opens up tons of possibilities for cinematic scenes, virtual sets, and interactive displays. Don't forget to check the description for the Megalight tutorial and other helpful links. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use video materials in your projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.